Techniques for managing team motivation and practical applications. Motivation is one of the most crucial factors for the success of any team. Regardless of the level of competence and experience of team members, a lack of motivation can seriously undermine productivity and engagement. Leaders who master motivational techniques can build strong and effective teams that not only achieve their goals but also grow and adapt to new challenges. In this article, we will explore various motivational approaches that leaders can use, along with practical examples of how to apply them. Intrinsic and extrinsic motivation. Motivation can be divided into two main types, intrinsic and extrinsic. Intrinsic motivation comes from within. People are motivated to achieve their goals because it brings them personal satisfaction or makes them feel useful. Extrinsic motivation, on the other hand, is based on external incentives such as salaries, bonuses, praise, and other rewards. Effective leaders understand that the best way to motivate a team is to combine intrinsic and extrinsic motivation to strike a balance between personal fulfillment and external incentives. For example, in a project environment where deadlines and results are critical, bonuses and recognition can be important external incentives for the team. However, the leader should also encourage intrinsic motivation by setting challenging yet achievable goals and providing opportunities for personal growth. This not only motivates the team to complete tasks, but also gives them a reason to strive for better results. Setting clear and meaningful goals. One of the most effective techniques for motivating a team is setting clear and meaningful goals. When employees know exactly what is expected of them and understand why these goals are important to the organization's success, they feel more engaged and motivated. Goals should be smart, specific, measurable, ambitious, realistic, and time-bound. This creates a framework within which the team can work effectively and stay focused. An example could be a project team working on implementing new software. The leader should define specific goals, such as completing certain phases of the project within a given time frame. At the same time, explaining the importance of these goals to the company's success will provide the team with an additional incentive to work hard. Recognition and praise. Recognition and praise play a vital role in motivating employees. Every person needs to feel appreciated for their efforts and contributions. Praise can be both public and private, depending on the preferences of the employees. Some people enjoy public recognition in front of the entire team, while others prefer more intimate conversations about their successes. It's important to note that praise must be sincere and specific. Simply saying "good job" is not enough to make someone feel appreciated. The leader should explain exactly what the employee did that contributed to the team's success. For instance, if the employee solved a complex technical problem, the recognition should focus on their specific contribution and why it was important. Empowering the team. One of the most powerful methods for motivating a team is granting more autonomy and empowerment. When employees have the freedom to make decisions and manage their tasks, they feel more responsible for the final outcome. Empowerment not only boosts motivation but also fosters initiative and creativity within the team. Imagine leading a marketing team. Instead of dictating every step of the marketing campaign, you can give the team the freedom to develop and propose their ideas. This will create a sense of ownership over the project and increase motivation for achieving success. Moreover, allowing decision-making freedom can reveal new and innovative solutions that the leader might not have foreseen. Training and development. Motivation often increases when employees see opportunities for personal and professional growth. Leaders can motivate their teams by investing in training programs, seminars, and opportunities for skill development. This not only enhances the team's competence but also shows that the organization cares about the long-term success and growth of its employees. For example, if you lead a team of engineers, you can organize regular training sessions to keep them updated on new technologies and industry innovations. This will not only improve their skills but also motivate them to stay ahead of the latest trends, which will improve the team's efficiency in the long term. Feedback and coaching. Regular feedback is an essential part of team motivation. Leaders should provide constructive and honest feedback to help employees improve their skills and performance. Feedback should not be given only during annual reviews, but should be a regular part of daily communication within the team. Coaching is another powerful technique for motivating employees. Through coaching, the leader can help employees identify their strengths and develop new skills. This not only increases motivation but also creates a sense of support and personal growth. A practical example. Imagine leading a team that has gone through a tough period due to a lack of resources or a complex project. One of the strategies you can apply is creating a plan to restore motivation through recognition and support. Organize meetings where each team member can share their successes, even the small ones, and receive recognition from their colleagues. Additionally, you can introduce internal training initiatives or mentoring programs to restore confidence and the desire to contribute to the project. Developing a culture of openness and communication. One of the most effective strategies for motivating a team is building a culture of openness and good communication. When employees feel comfortable sharing their ideas, concerns, and suggestions, they are more motivated to contribute to the team's success. Leaders can encourage open communication through regular meetings, internal idea-sharing platforms, and collaborative discussions. Imagine you are leading an IT team. Encourage team members to share their thoughts on improving workflow and exploring opportunities for innovation. This will not only increase team motivation, but also lead to better results and innovation. Variety and flexibility in tasks. Variety in daily tasks can prevent monotony and keep motivation high. Employees who are constantly faced with new challenges and opportunities to expand their skills are more engaged and motivated to achieve high results. Leaders should strive to provide task variety and offer flexibility where possible. For example, if someone on your team has been working on the same tasks for a long time, offer them new responsibilities or projects that will allow them to use different skills. This will prevent burnout and create a sense of personal development. Maintaining work-life balance. Nowadays, one of the key factors for employee motivation is maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Leaders who understand the importance of this balance can create a work culture that not only boosts productivity, but also supports the long-term well-being of employees. Supporting this balance can include flexible working hours, remote work options, and creating mechanisms for rest and recovery. For example, if a team member has family commitments that make it difficult to stick to a standard schedule, offering flexible hours or remote days can increase their motivation and engagement. They will appreciate that the organization understands and supports their personal needs, making them more engaged and loyal. Recognition and reward programs. Recognition and reward programs are a powerful tool for motivating a team. They don't have to be solely material. Often, recognition for a job well done or public praise in front of colleagues can have the same, if not greater, impact on employee motivation. Stimulating teams with such programs can keep motivation high and encourage better results. Introducing a monthly Employee of the Month award or organizing corporate events where the best achievements are recognized can instill a sense of competition and a drive for excellence. It's important that these awards are fair and based on objective criteria to maintain honesty and trust within the team. Creating a shared leadership culture. Shared leadership is an approach where leadership responsibilities and decisions are not concentrated in one person, but are distributed among team members. This not only encourages motivation, but also improves engagement, as employees feel empowered and important for the project's success. Leaders can apply this approach by delegating responsibilities and trusting employees with important tasks. Imagine leading a project with several separate teams. Instead of holding all decision-making power, you can encourage members of each team to lead different parts of the project. This will not only increase their motivation, but also create a stronger sense of responsibility and ownership over the results. Encouraging innovation. Leaders should foster a culture of innovation within their teams by providing time and resources for creative thinking and exploring new ideas. When employees know that their ideas and innovative approaches are valued, it strengthens their motivation and engagement. An example could be introducing innovation time, where every employee has designated hours to work on personal projects or proposals for improvements. In a tech company, for example, the leader can organize regular innovation sprints, where teams have the freedom to develop new solutions that are not part of their current tasks. This strategy stimulates creativity and allows the team to generate new ideas that could be valuable to the organization.
Conclusion.
Motivation is a key element in building a successful and productive team. Leaders who understand the various techniques for managing motivation and apply them in practice can create an environment where employees feel inspired, engaged, and dedicated to common goals. From setting clear goals and providing recognition to empowering the team and developing emotional intelligence, each of these strategies plays a crucial role in enhancing motivation and long-term team success. Ultimately, the most effective leaders are those who understand that motivation is not a one-time process. It's a continuous commitment that requires adaptation to the individual needs and challenges of employees. Combining different techniques based on the specifics of the team and project is the path to creating a motivated and highly productive team.